Hi everyone, this is Darcy, and I'm starting a 30 days FOREO BEAR Eyes and Lips Challenge, and this is week 1. On this video, I'm going to show you my before and afters from using the FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips for 1 week by itself on my eye area. I'm also going to show you a real-time tutorial of the settings that I use for week 1, and each week I'm going to be using one set of settings by itself for a whole week and show you the results. And during this challenge, I'm also doing an international giveaway, so you can win a FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips. So to enter the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and all the videos from this series will be 4 videos. At the end of this challenge, I'm going to choose a winner from the comments. If you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to check on the timestamps below. FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips is a microcurrent device that combines microcurrent with T-sonic pulsations, has 2 different types of microcurrents and 5 different types of T-sonic pulsations. The FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips uses up to 270 microamps of microcurrent. It helps to firm skin and smooth wrinkles, also helps to plump lips and the under eye hollowness. For this challenge, I'm only going to do around the eyes, but check out my channel and I'll definitely do one for the lips later on. It also helps to reduce eye bags, improve lymphatic drainage, and also is very brightening for the eye area. And it also has anti-shock system, T-sonic pulsations, microcurrent, and also has clinical results that you can check out on their website. And I'm also going to be sharing my own personal results for my 30 days during this challenge. So keep an eye on my before and afters as well. What I love about the FOREO BEAR Eyes and Lips is that it has a very tiny probe. These probes are so tiny. This is actually the tiniest probe that I have seen on a microcurrent device that I have tested. And I love that these probes let you go into very, very tiny areas that normally are really hard to reach. I want to show you a little quick how the eye muscle works. The eye muscle is a round muscle that goes around your eyes. So a lot of the movements we're going to be doing during this 30 days are movements to open up this muscle, open up your eyes. And also what I love about specifically about the BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips is that it has very small probes that you can literally go into this muscle right here. That is really hard to get in with any microcurrent device. So we're going to be stimulating all these muscles around the eye area. During this 30 days, the movements that we're going to be using are going to be around the eye muscles to help drain a lot of the lymphatic drainage. I'm also going to be doing movements to open up the eyes and holding it. And a lot of movements will include this tiny little area here to take advantage of the tiny little probes. So I just wanted to show you really quick so you can have an overview of the muscle that we're going to be working on this 30 days. First of all, before you start, you make sure you register your FOREO BEAR Eyes and Lips in order to access the app. And when you are in the app, on the top, make sure you have your Bluetooth selected and select FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips, and that will show you the FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips menu. And here you have device info, which gives you information on the device. You have how to use it, which gives you like just simple prompts on how to use it. I also love the setting Find My Device. That way, especially if you have, in case you lose your device, it will vibrate so you to find it, which is really cool and handy in case you lose your device. And then you have the menu settings. On the menu settings, you have the option of choosing the 5 different types of T-sonic pulsations, which is basically the types of vibrations, and also has the option of using either basic microcurrent or the pro microcurrent, which makes it stronger. I'm not going to be using the setting menu for this challenge because I want to be able to also choose the type of microcurrent that I want to use. So for this challenge, I'm only using the Smart Control menu that allows you to change not only the T-sonic pulsations, which will give you 5 different types of T-sonic pulsations, but also lets you choose the type of microcurrent, which gives you 2 different types of microcurrent. So each week, I'm going to explain what they do and also show you the results that you can achieve with each of the settings. So let's talk about these settings first before you go to the tutorial. For the T-sonic pulsations, I chose lymphatic drainage. The T-sonic pulsation is the vibration that we're going to be choosing for this week 1 to help deep off the eye area. And what this setting does is encourage the lymph fluid to circulate through the body and is good for around the eyes. For the microcurrent, I chose the tapping microcurrent. That is a quick and short wave of current flow through the upper layer of the skin to brighten and plump. These two combinations of lymphatic drainage and the tapping microcurrent helps not only to depuff the eye area, but to brighten the eye area. So those are the settings that are used for week 1. And from the before and afters of week 1, you can definitely see that I achieve depuffing and a brighter under eye area for sure. Now I'm going to show you my 1 week results. At first glance, you just notice I look more rested and less puffy, but as we go closer and closer, you will see more the differences. When you look closer, you can see that the eye is more lifted and less puffy. There's more eyelid space and the eye area looks more firm. And this is just 1 week result. And I find that my eye area is more awake and less puffy, especially now that I'm 48 years old, almost 49 in a couple of months. I feel like when I wake up with puffiness, the puffiness just lingers throughout the day. It just doesn't go away. This area here, which is really hard area for me to target, is less crepey and more lifted. To be honest, I wasn't expecting to be seeing too many results in week 1, but I was quite impressed. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. Before you start the tutorial, since we're using the lymphatic drainage, it's also a good idea to just press right here. Press gently with your fingers to help open up the pathways for the lymph nodes. You can do it here, and also you can do it right behind your ears, just a little slightly pumped. You can also use like these 2 V's and do this a little bit. And then bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, and press a little bit. This is a good idea to do this right before the tutorial, since we're using the lymphatic drainage. That way it helps to release congestion on the eye area even better. So it's a good idea to do that. You don't have to, but you can if you like. Now I'm going to show you the full real-time tutorial. Week 1, I did this tutorial on each eye, 3 minutes on each eye, about 5 times a week. Fully cleansed face, apply the gel all over the eye area, on here, a little bit on the corner so you don't put too much, just to slide, and a little bit outside the eye area on the crow's feet as well as on the forehead. So spread your favorite microcurrent gel, and the movements will be in real time so you can follow along with me. I'm using the Smart Control menu because it lets you choose both the microcurrent and T-sonic pulsations, and the Smart Control menu is right underneath the setting menu. I'm using the T-sonic pulsation on intensity 1 and the lymphatic drainage massage option, the microcurrent intensity 1, and I'm selecting the tapping microcurrent. And when you're ready to get started, select start. And first I'm going to do 3 all around the eye area like that. 1, all the way in, 2, on 3. Now from the very corner of the eye, out, 1, 2, and 3. Now from the outside in, but a little bit lower than what you did before, and ending on the very corner. 1, and ending there. 2, all 3. Now we're gonna go as if you put a mascara. Just go from down here. Hold 1, 2, 3. Slide and hold 1, 2, 3. Slide and hold 1, 2, 3. Now slide to the middle and lift and hold 1, 2, 3. Slide to the middle, lift and hold 1, 2, 3. Slide to the middle, lift and hold 1, 2, 3. Now slide all the way to the corner, very, very corner here. Lift and hold 1, 2, 3. Slide, lift and hold 1, 2, 3. Slide, lift and hold 2, 3. Now go on each corner, just sandwich the eyebrow, lift and hold 1, 2, 3. Go to the middle, lift and hold 1, 2, 3. The very beginning of the eyebrow, lift and hold 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Lift and hold 1, 2, 3. 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 Lift and hold 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Now just slide and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slide, just slide up and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slide up and hold. 1, 2, 3. Now just go to the middle. You don't have to slide to the middle. Just slide up and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slide up and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slide up and hold. 1, 2, 3. Now to the very beginning of the eye, just slide up and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slide up and hold. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now go just like this. There's little lifts 3 times back and forth. 1, 2, and 3. And that's it. And do the same on the other side. Right. When you want to move to the other side, make sure you hit stop. Apply the gel. And let's get started. So let's start going around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The corner of the eye with the 2 probes all the way out. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to go a little outside of the area we just did, but starting on the corner, going just below, but ending on the tiny corner here. 1, 2, and 3. As if you're doing mascara, you're going to slide and hold for 3. 1, 2, 3. Slide and hold for 3. 1, 2, 3. Slide and hold. 1, 2, 3. Now go to the middle. Slide to the middle. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slide to the middle. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slide to the middle. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Then go to the start of the eye, the little corner. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slide, lift, and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slide, lift, and hold. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you sandwich the end of the eyebrow. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Go to the middle. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. To the beginning of the eyebrow. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Repeat 2 more times. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Last time. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Lift and fold. 1, 2, 3. Just lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Now just go to the middle. Don't have to slide. Just lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. I'll go to the very corner. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3. Those little taps here. 1, 2, and 3. And next week, I will use a different type of setting, so that way we can explore each of the settings so you understand exactly what they do. If you're interested on the FOREO BEAR eyes and lips or any FOREO products, they have given me a 30% coupon code until March. So if you're interested on this device or any FOREO device, you can get 30% off until March. So I'll leave that special coupon on the description box below. And I'll always update the description box below with any coupon codes that they give me. But right now you have until March to get 30% off on top of any sales from the FOREO site if you use my coupon code on the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe. And I'll see you next week for week 2 of my 30 days FOREO BEAR Eyes and Lips Challenge.